Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an exciting review for you. We'll be diving deep into a brand new novel device. You guessed right, it's Nothing Phone 2. Remember, we avoid confusing tech jargons in my channel. First up, let's examine design. The Nothing Phone 2's design remains its most distinctive feature. The unusual transparent back, which showcases its internal workings, continues to stun at first sight with its array of LED strips. From the front, it boasts a bright and vibrant screen that allows you to see the weather, timer, use the flashlight, etc. without unlocking the phone. The aluminium sides and the curved glass back add a premium feel reminiscent of an iPhone. Now, let's talk a little more about those blinking back lights. You can adjust the brightness automatically and even create complex light patterns. The LED strips serve various purposes including acting as a visual countdown timer and charging status display. You can also customize flash patterns for different calls and notifications, making it a fun and unique feature. Next, specifications. Nothing Phone 2 features a 6.7-inch screen, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which ensures quick performance. You have options for 8 or 12 GB of RAM and storage capacities of up to 512 GB. Running on its Nothing OS 2.0, based on Android 13, the software provides a slick user experience. The Phone 2 also supports 5G connectivity, with an IP54 rating, which offers splash resistance, making it suitable for daily use. Next, let's evaluate how the camera measures. Phone 2 has two 50-megapixel cameras on the back and a 32-megapixel selfie camera embedded in the screen. The main camera captures well-balanced images in bright light, and the wide-angle camera performs admirably too, especially in challenging light conditions. The video recording is solid and offers interesting features like slow motion. Next, energy endurance. Battery life is always a crucial consideration. Nothing claims that its battery maintains at least 80% of its original capacity for at least 1,000 full charge cycles. Impressive. Also, replacements of battery are possible, and full charge can last up to 40 hours. We now delve into pricing and present-day competition. The Nothing Phone 2 starts at $599 for 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. To put it in perspective, competitors like the OnePlus 11, Google Pixel 7, Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and iPhone 14 Plus range from £499 to £949. At those prices, Phone 2 offers a competitive price point, making it an attractive option in the market. Before we conclude, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tough reviews. Now, let's unveil our tough review assessment. Nothing Phone 2's novel LED functionality remains a unique and attractive function to its fans. Plus, it delivers a great screen, impressive performance, and solid battery life. The slick Android 13 software adds to the overall experience. However, it falls short in the camera department. When viewed at full size, images lack sharpness and detail, lacking optical zoom and not matching up to the competition. The absence of a telephoto camera and the digital zoom capabilities also leave room for Phone 3. Despite these shortcomings, the Phone 2 offers a compelling choice. With its novel design, premium feel, competitive pricing, and a remarkably smooth software. Personally, I like it for its boldness, uniqueness and beauty. Comment on what you think of Nothing Phone 2 and let me know if you'll consider getting one. And that wraps up our tough review of Nothing Phone 2. You can compare with our Samsung vs iPhone tough review above. Until next time, peace to you.